Hi folks, we are now currently in Croatia testing live with a charter company our ISS Yachts system for yacht equipment. I have our mobile scanner with me. Please have a look. This is the main screen. I pick the inventory menu, I pick the location of the name of the boat, and this is pretty much it. We already have generated the list of items which are on this boat. There are 104 of them, and I will now start scanning them in this cabin by simply pressing and holding down this trigger. Every beep sound is one tag found. We know roughly where the objects are, so we are focusing in this area where they are located. Here underneath the bench we have some safety belts and harnesses, also the toolkit, the bolt cutter. Here are the safety vests, and this is pretty much the majority of what we have in the cabin. It's 87 items found. We will now continue with the deck equipment. On the way out we have one of the paddles, the other one is hidden. We have now here the jerry cans. Here is our safety light. Now I'm running down the deck. What is actually interesting, while walking on the deck, you are partially scanning also items inside the cabin. Here we have some critical stuff. These are ropes, so I'm intensifying the scanning process. And our gangway, our spare gas cylinder, and this is now it. I don't know the exact time, we probably will show it on the screen, but we are definitely under 1.5 minutes. We have 101 of 104 items found. I will now press the gears, which will open an additional menu. I pick show only missing items because in the end of the day we want to know what is missing. So the mooring mooring rope, and the spare gas cylinder. I will now approach and it is just the two mooring ropes. Well, I'm getting no result from them. These are the two items out of 104 which we have not scanned, probably due to a damage of the tag. This gives us 98% of items in less than 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.